guys, welcome to the Dayton Airshow. Would you like to buy a program? $5.
At the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars.
I went up last year. I was out here last year and we went up and kind of bring back the experience.
We have been serving hot dogs and lemon shake-ups. The heat has been very hot. We've been very fortunate that with the clouds, it's been and the breeze, it's been very tolerable.
Pepsi, that's okay.
The bullet, there's an explosive charge on the inside of these, so once it hits, it blows up.
1, 2, 3, all the way down.
It's the only way to fly.
I can't wait to see the Thunderbirds.
As you wave like crazy to Carol as Renegade Red, look, listen, and remember, for we must never forget.
I got such a great job. I just was laughing. I'm having so much fun. Yes, I'm with you, Theodore. Hello, Dayton.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, have you ever seen a helicopter do that? Here we go. Oh! I give you your United States Air Force Thunderbirds!
The sky was his and his alone. When he took to the air, the beating of his wings made thunder and lightning.
Coming to America. Every time that flag's on. Coming to America.
The granddaddy of air shows for around here.
Now it's time to get ready.